Here's a quick recipe idea for a brekkie smoothie using a mixture of berries. Now, I love to use a combination of fresh berries and frozen berries. So I've pre-frozen some raspberries and some blackberries, but you can use whatever berry you like. I'm going to place 1 punnet of frozen raspberries into the blender, along with half a punnet of fresh raspberries. And then again, we'll use a whole punnet of beautiful frozen blackberries, and you'll see that this is going to make it really nice and cold and thick, along with a few of the fresh blackberries. And I'll add a tablespoon of chia seeds and then a banana. This is going to give it some sweetness too. Just half a banana is plenty. We'll break that into our blender. And I love a hint of coconut milk, so 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. For some extra sweetness, rice malt syrup, just a spoonful. And this is just a taste, depending on how sweet you like your smoothie in the morning. And then to bring the whole thing together, some almond milk. Perfect. Now I'm going to pop the lid on and I'm going to blend this until it's really smooth. Alright, this is ready. Look at this gorgeous colour. It's so vibrant. You know this is going to be good for you. And just because I want to be a bit of a fancy pants, I've got this great jar to serve it in. We'll just pour it in. Look how thick that is. This is a smoothie that's perfect for brekkie. And the best thing about this is the combination of fresh berries and the frozen berries. So it's almost like a Slurpee for breakfast. I think that sounds pretty good. I'm going to pop the lid on. Have a taste. Wow, that is super yummy.